A wise man once said, "I was told to love my enemy, so I started to love myself." Many times, it's not our opponents that are our greatest opponents in the war to keep up our faith, to keep up our strength, to keep up our emunah. It's actually something from deep within. Forget about knowing what to answer the non-believer. How about knowing what to answer ourselves? Torah Defense Workshops 3 is just about to start. Not this Sunday, but the coming Sunday, only 9 days from now, we're going to start defending latter Exodus all the way through the end of the Torah. We already have the secrets of creation behind us. We have the extraordinary evidence for the 10 plagues. We have the Exodus inscriptions. We have all of that behind us. We have so many miracles of the Torah to take on. How could Korach and company be swallowed up by the earth? How do we understand the pillar of fire, the pillar of cloud before the camp? How do we understand the speaking donkey of Bilaam? And how do we take on some of the hardest moral challenges against the Torah? For example, today in universities across the world, we are charged for genocide, misogyny, animal abuse, all sorts of empty, morally bankrupt charges. How do we really show, what is the extraordinary evidence that the Jews and Samaritans of today are actually the continuation of the ancient Israelites? What is the profound genetic evidence for it? What a profound historical evidence for it? All of these things are more. Taking on the toughest questions being leveled against Am Yisrael, the people of Israel, we're going to take on in 6 modules. Make sure to sign up. It is going to be an unprecedented course, brand new material that even our most veteran students haven't seen. I'm looking forward to seeing you, not this coming Sunday, but Sunday, June 6th. Hope to see you all there.